Good morning. Just thought I would share a craft project I'm working on today. I got a bunch of these foam boards from the Dollar Tree. This is a black foam board. Then I cut them into thirds. And then after I cut them into thirds, I use this and just cut around the outside where it's here and here. After I did that, I have this satin that I got from Walmart for like $3 a yard. Cut it, and I'm not going to show you the back of this because it's really messy, but I tried hot glue, and hot glue wasn't working very well for me, so I went with packing tape. So now I have these really nice little jewelry display boards that are perfect size for the long necklaces. And I could have gotten them on Amazon for $3 or $4 each, but I figured why not make my own? So I thought I would share. You guys have a great day.